numerical differentiation. So, suppose y0, comma y1, y2, so on up to yn or the values of an unknown function y equals f of x corresponding to x from x0 to xn, x0 comma x1 comma x2, so on up to xn. The process of computing f dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x, so on at some particular value of the independent variable x is known as numerical differentiation. So okay, here which one you can't find out the value from here some equations you can find out in numerical differentiation also. ಸೊ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಾರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೇ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 cases here. X value equidistant ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ you get 3 cases. So x value equidistant means ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ 0 1 2 3 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನು 1, ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 1, ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಕೂಡ 1, ಇವೆರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 1. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಿಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ you will get 3 cases. So x value equidistant ಇದ್ದರೆ 3 ಕೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಬೆಸಲ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 3 cases. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆ, ಮೂರೇ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ case 1. First case. So here consider Newton's forward interpolation formula. So consider a Newton forward interpolation formula. So what is the formula? Here f of x equals y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus so on. So I'll take up to third degree, that's all. So where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So x is also functions of r. So what can do? I'll find out the x value. So what you get? X naught plus r into h equals x will get. So what is x now? X is x naught plus r into h. So ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೆಚ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು delta y naught plus here I'll simplify. So simplify r square minus r divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus here if you simplify all those three, so you will get r cube minus 3r square plus 2r all divided by 3 factor into delta cube y naught plus so on. Now differentiate with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to r. So this becomes f dash of x naught plus r into h. Now you have to differentiate inner term. So x naught is constant, so it becomes 0. And here what you get? H will get. H equals y naught. Here y naught is constant, so this term becomes 0 plus here if you differentiate with respect to r. So what I get here? Delta y naught plus here you will get 2r minus 1 whole divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus here what you get? 3r square minus 6r plus 2 will get whole divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus so on. So this h goes to right side. So what you get here? F dash of x naught plus r into h equals 1 by h into delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 whole divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 into divided by 3 factor into delta cube y naught plus so on. So this is your first derivative. You can find out up to nth derivative. But for your syllabus only first derivative and second derivative is enough. So what you get now? Again you have to differentiate with respect to r. You will get second derivative. So f double dash of x naught plus r into h into, if you differentiate again you will get h, because this term is constant, it becomes 0. Okay, so you will get 1 by h into, this term is 0 because it is constant term, you will get 0 plus here if you differentiate 2 divided by 2 into delta square y naught plus here what you get? 6r If you differentiate r, you will get 6r minus 6. 2 is constant, it becomes 0 divided by 3 factorial means 86 into delta q y naught plus so on. Next, what you get here? So f double dash of x naught plus r into h equals 1 by h square into 2 will get cancelled. So this becomes delta square y naught plus, if you take it 6 common, 6 will get cancelled, you will get r minus 1 into delta q y naught plus so on. So this is your second derivative. So first derivative formula and second derivative formula. This is for forward interpolation. Now we'll check for backward. Now case 2, consider Newton's backward interpolation formula. So if you consider backward interpolation formula, so what you get here? F of x equals here y suffix n plus r into del y suffix n plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del q y suffix n plus so on, where r equals x minus xn divided by h. So we have to find out x here. So what do you get? X equals what xn plus r into h you will get by this here. So substitute in this above equation. So what do you get? F of here xn plus r into h equals y suffix n plus here r into del y suffix n plus here r square plus r divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n plus, if you multiply this one, you will get r cube plus 3r square plus 2r whole divided by 3 factorial into del y suffix del q y suffix n plus so on. Now differentiate with respect to r. So if you differentiate with respect to r, so what do you get? F dash of xn plus r into h into here this is constant, this becomes 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get h. So this is constant 0 ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? del here 0 plus del y suffix n plus ಇದನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 2r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3r square plus 6r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del q y suffix n plus so on. So f dash of xn plus r into h equals 1 by h into del y suffix n plus 2r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n plus 3r square plus 6r plus 2 divided by 3 factor into del q y suffix n plus so on. So this is your first derivative formula. Now find out for second derivative. So differentiate again. Differentiate with respect to r this equation. So what you get? F double dash of xn plus r into h into this is become 0. So if you differentiate, you will get h here. So 1 by h into, or you get here, this term becomes 0 plus, again if you differentiate, you will get 2 divided by 2 factorial means it is 2 into del square y suffix n plus here. If you differentiate, you will get 2. This is constant, this becomes 0. So 2 divided by 2 factorial means it is 2. So next here what you get? 6r. Here if you differentiate, you get 6r plus 6 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6. So what do you get? Del q y suffix n plus so on. Now here f double dash of xn plus r into h equals 1 by h square into 2 will get cancelled. So we get del square y suffix n plus, here if you take it 6 common, you will get r plus 1 and 6 will get cancelled. So r plus 1 delta q y suffix n plus so on. So this is your second derivative formula. So next I will go for Stirling's in afterwards. So I will do problems on forward and backward using for backward and forward formulas. Using for backward and formula, I am do problems here. This is very important. You have to remember this formula, this one also, and you have to remember this one. And here first derivative, second derivatives formulas in both. ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ. So now problems for the following data, find f dash of 1 and f double dash of 3. So x and y values. Here for 0 it is 7 and for 2 it is 13 and for 4 it is 43 and for 6 it is 145 and for 8 it is 367. So solution. So first you have to construct the table. 0 it is 7, for 2 it is 13, 4 it is 43, for 6 it is 145 and for 8 it is 367. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು the given x value is equidistant or not equal ಇದೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ is 2 and 4 minus 2 difference is 2, 6 minus 4 difference is 2, 8 minus 6 difference is 2. That means the given x value is equidistant. Now this is x naught and this is xn. So which one is middle value? 4 is the middle value. So what they asked to find out? 1 and 3, derivative of 1 and second derivative of 3. So 1 it comes between 0 and 1 and 3 comes between 2 and 3. It is also near to x naught. So you have to use forward formula. Forward first derivative formula, forward second derivative formula. Forward first derivative and forward second derivative formula to use. So you have to construct the forward table now. So forward table ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So here your difference you will get 6 and these two difference you will get 30 and these two difference 102, these two difference 222. Delta square y, here 30 minus 6 you will get 24, 102 minus 30 you will get 72, 222 minus 102 you will get 120. Next here delta q y, so your difference 72 minus 24 you will get 48, 120 minus 72 you get 48, 120 minus 72 you get 48. So what you get last derivative? It is 0. Now first one, to find f dash of 1. So here what is the formula now? F of x equals 1, f dash of x equals 1 by h into, what is the formula? Delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial plus 3r square minus 6r plus 2 all divided by 3 factorial into delta q y naught, sorry here delta square y naught plus so on, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So here the x value is 1 and x naught value is 0. So 1 minus 0 divided by h is difference, it is 2, you will get 0.5. So substitute in the above equation. So if you substitute in the above equation, what do you get? So f dash of 1 equals x value is 1. So you have to find out f dash of 1 equals h value is 2, difference is 2. So what do you get? Delta y naught andre you will get 6 plus 2 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means it is 2. Delta square y naught is 24 plus what do you get? Here 3 into 0.5 whole square minus 6 into 0.5 plus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6. And what is delta q y naught? It is 48. So f dash of 1 you will get after some simplification. So f dash of 1 you will get 2. Okay. So now second one, what you have to find out? To find f double dash of 3. So what is the formula for second derivative? F double dash of x equals 1 by h square into what do you get, delta square y naught plus r minus 1 into delta cube y naught plus so on. Here also r value changes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇತ್ತು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, here x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So x value you will get 3, x naught value 0 divided by h value is 2, so we will get 1.5. Substitute in the above equation. So f double dash of 3 equals 1 by h value is 2, so we will get 2 square into delta square y naught is 24 plus here 1.5 minus 1 into delta cube y naught, here it is 48. So we'll get answer is f double dash of 3 equals approximately, if you simplify you will get 12. So this is all. Next one, given the data x y values. So here for minus 2 it is 0, and for minus 1 it is 0, for 0 it is 6, and for 1 it is 24, and for 2 it is 60, and for 3 it is 120. So find or compute dy by dx at x is equal to 2 and dy by dx at x equals 4.5. So solution. So first we have to construct the table. So here for minus 2 what you get y value, it is 0, for minus 1 it is also 0, for 0 it is 6, for 1 it is 24, for 2 it is 60, and for 3 it is 120. So middle value is, you get these two, right? So now what you have to find out? You have to find out f dash of 2, and here you have to find out f double dash of 4.5. This is your x naught and this is your xn. So you have to find out the derivative of 2 and here derivative of 4.5. So it is near, both are nearer to xn, so you have to use backward. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 4.5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಇರೋದು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಈಸ್ 60, ಬಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಫ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ 4.5 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡೆಲ್ ವೈ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಥರನೇ, ಇಲ್ಲ backward table ಮಾಡಿ, no problem in that one. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you'll get 60 and these two you get 36 and here 24 minus 60 you will get 18. 6 minus 0 you will get 6, 0 minus 0 you will get 0. Now here del square y. So these two difference ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 24. 36 minus 18 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 18 minus 6 12. 6 minus 0 you will get 6. Next here del cube by, so these two difference 6, 18 minus 12 6, 12 minus 6 will be 6. So last derivative all are 0. All are 0. Now substitute the here. First one, to find f dash of 2. So here f dash of x equals y suffix n plus, so 1 by h into y suffix n plus del what do you get, del y suffix n plus what is the formula, here first one, to find f dash of 2. To find f dash of 2 you have to use backward formula. So what do you get, f dash of x equals 1 by h into del y suffix n plus what do you get, 2r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n plus 3r square plus 6r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del q y suffix n plus so on. Now where r equals x minus xn divided by h. X means 2, xn means 3 here. So what you get, 2 minus 3 divided by h difference. What you get, difference minus 1 minus into minus plus, so you will get 1. R value you will get 1. H value is you get 1. So R value will get minus 1. Now here substitute in above equation. So what you get, f dash of 2 equals h value is 1 divided by 1 into del y suffix n means it is 60 plus 2 into minus 1, r value is minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 factor means it is 2 into del square y suffix n means it is 24 plus here 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 6 times of minus 1 plus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6 into what you get, del q y suffix n is 6. So if you substitute if you simplify all those things you will get 47. If you simplify this one, so you will get 47. Here next one, here to find f double dash of 4.5. 4.5. So f double dash of x equals 1 by h square into what you get, del square y suffix n plus r plus 1 divided by del q y suffix n plus so on, where r equals x minus xn divided by h. So here r value get changes. So x value is 4.5 minus xn value is 3, h value is 1. So we'll get r value is 1.5. So f double dash of 4.5 equals 1 by 1 square into delta square y naught is 24 plus r value is 1.5 plus 1 into delta q value is 6. So f double dash of 4.5 equals, we'll get 39. So use calculate and simplify. So we'll get answer is 39. Calculate one try ಮಾಡಿ.